Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to plug a 4x4 closure. So it's a 10A grade here, so it must be feeling really good, and this is what the closure looks like. As you can see guys, it has some really nice curls, so I know it's gonna look damn good. And this is the canvas head guys that I'll be pinning the closure on. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use my hot comb to get the strands laid back. So I'm gonna use a hot comb to press the hair guys, so it can be laid back properly, so I can get to tweeze the hairline. So guys, after doing this, as you can see, I use 2 pins in the front, then I'm gonna use 2 at the back just to make sure the closure is well secured on the canvas head. And now you can see the thickness in the hairline, and what we want is a faded look in the hairline. So I'm using my rat tail comb to create a little arch parting at the front of the hairline. So this first amount of hair that I parted from the hairline is where the hairline begins on the closure. Now I'm gonna take the point of my tweezer and use it to pinch the knots on the closure, or saying the root of the hair on the closure, to create the faded look. And you do not place your tweezer at the same spot each time, because that's gonna create bald patches or bald spots. So I'm continuing to create the arch parting, because the center of your hair is always thicker than the temples. So we want a more faded look at the temple section of the closure. So you're gonna repeat these steps at least 4 to 5 rows from the hairline inwards on the closure to create the faded look. Anyway guys, just keep on watching, and remember to subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, leave your comment down below, and don't forget to share the video. So guys, we've come to the end of the video. I'm just removing all the loose strands from the closure. Then I'm using my hot comb to press it backwards so you can see the thinness or the natural look in the hairline that I was trying to achieve. So this is what it looks like, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.